Last night at this time, dozens of Madison County residents were either on the run or seeking shelter from this. An out-of-control car crashed into a house, then ran into and ruptured a gas line next to it. It sparked a 30-foot tall wall of fire that burned for hours before it could be brought under control. Police in Alexandria say the car's driver, who may have been drinking, had another adult and 2 kids inside that car. At last word, 1 adult and 1 child were still in the hospital. The house was empty at the time. The owner, Todd Welcher, was away, but he got word and pictures very quickly. By the looks of it, he'll be spending a lot more time at the home now, rebuilding.
A friend sent me a picture, and then I knew. Yeah, I'm just thankful that I wasn't here because I would have been dead. That's the room I slept in. You can see the bed was pushed up. I had a futon. I slept on the bed right here. It's been pushed up against the wall.
Todd says as bad as it looks, he will rebuild. He's thankful the people in the car should be okay. The driver, Cody Vaughn, is facing possible charges, including driving under the influence.